Poor people, the rough end of town, play the lottery more often than anybody else. Lottery tickets are almost all sold in poor zip codes. Payday lenders, 800% interest. Rent to own, title pawning. You don't see these places in the rich end of town. You know why? Because rich people don't do them. That's how they got rich.
You know what rich people do? They know how to play the tax game. You ever heard Donald Trump at his debate with Hillary Clinton when she says, oh, you don't pay any income taxes? He's like, I'm smart. I use the same exact tax code that you and the politicians in the Senate and in the Congress and in the government put together. So what I do is that I just use the tax code. What is that tax code? One of the biggest write-offs that rich individuals, and a lot of people say, oh, rich people. Well, one of the biggest tax write-offs that they get is real estate. When you buy real estate, not only can you take a depreciation expense, but you can also take what's called an accelerated depreciation, a much higher deduction using the IRS's own code. Can everybody qualify for this? No, not everybody. So you've got to get yourself a tax advisor, put yourself in a financial situation, make yourself as IRS would require you to, for example, a real estate professional to meet the IRS definition of real estate professional, and start buying real estate, start deducting, and become the next rich person. That's it. That's the secret sauce. Of course, it goes a lot more to it. What rich people do on their taxes. But if you really think about it, if you really look at it, at the history of most of the rich people, like Donald Trump, Robert Kiyosaki, all of these real estate moguls, Grant Cardone, for example, the biggest thing that they do is invest in real estate because that gets them a great tax deduction. No wonder they don't play lottery. Anyways, follow me for more tax strategy.